Most pool robots follow a pattern, they take their time, they cover everything, and eventually they get the job done. But what if the problem is not speed, but it's how they clean everything in the first place? This is the iGarden M1-AI, and instead of just moving faster, it's designed to clean more efficiently, and the goal here is not speed, but it's reducing the wasted movement. Now this is where it works differently because instead of following a fixed path, it uses a dual camera system with AI to process what it sees. So it detects, decides, and then it cleans, and it identifies where the debris is, so it moves directly towards and it cleans it immediately. So instead of covering everything first, it handles the problem areas right away. And that's where it feels faster, and not because it's rushing, but because it's not wasting time. You get a quick clean mode, and this is an AI target mode that you can clean visible debris quickly without running a full cycle. So if your pool isn't really heavily dirty, you're not waiting around for hours, and you can clean up to 99% of debris on the pool in as little as 20 minutes. You also get the deep clean mode, but this isn't just for a quick cleaning, because when you run a full cycle, it starts from the walls where the buildup usually happens, and then transitions down to the floor using the structure coverage with AI touch-ups to avoid the missed spots, so you're getting top to bottom cleaning with full coverage and no obvious gaps. And when it comes to the battery and runtime, this runs up to 16 hours on a single charge with the AI timer, so you can schedule regular cleaning cycles. So instead of thinking, when do I clean the pool? It just stays clean over time, and one charge can cover weeks of use up to 30 days. And when it comes to the performance, it handles the walls, the water line, and the floor with the strong suction and the filtration that stays consistent throughout the cycle. And using the structure S path combined with the AI touch-up, that means it's not just randomly moving or relying on only pattern coverage, it's actually layering two approaches together, the structure movement for full coverage and the targeted adjustments to catch anything that might have missed. And what stands out here is how it approaches the cleaning sequence, because it's starting from the walls and the water line where the buildup tends to happen first, then it transitions down to the floor. That matters because a lot of debris and residue sits higher before it even falls down, so by starting here, it reduces the chance of recontamination during the cleaning process. And because of the AI touch-up system, even after the main path is completed, it goes back and refines areas that need extra attention. So instead of finishing with the small missed spots or uneven cleaning, it closes those gaps and keeps the overall result more consistent from top to bottom. The biggest difference you notice isn't how it cleans, but it's how it reacts, because instead of slowly covering the entire pool and eventually getting to the problem areas, it identifies the debris and moves towards directly to it, which makes the cleaning feel more immediate and efficient. And that becomes especially noticeable when your pool isn't heavily dirty, because you're not forced into running full cycles every time. You can let it handle visible debris quickly and then go back to deeper cleaning only when it's actually needed, which gives you more flexibility depending on how your pool is being used. And over time, this also changes how you maintain the pool, because instead of planning around cleaning sessions, the system adapts to different conditions. Whether it's light debris after a few days or heavier buildup after more use, it adjusts quickly between the quick cleaning and full cycles without requiring you to constantly change your routine. So this is going to make sense if you want a full system that adapts how your pool actually gets dirty instead of forcing you into one type of cleaning system cycle. Or if your pool varies between light use and heavier buildup, this is going to give you the flexibility to handle both without compromising too long cleaning cycles every time. It's also better fit if you care about efficiency and not just speed, because the goal here isn't to move faster, but it's to reduce the wasted movement and clean the right areas at the right time, which is why it feels faster in practice even when it's not increasing the raw speed. And it's also good if you want something that can handle both quick cleanups and the full deep cleaning without missing spots, especially across the walls, water line, and floor. That gives you a more complete approach without needing multiple cleaning modes or manual adjustments. So this isn't just about speed, it's about cleaning the right way at the right time instead of relying on a single approach, and it combines the targeted cleaning with full coverage, so you're not choosing between quick results and a thorough cleaning. And the biggest difference is how it prioritizes what needs to be cleaned first, rather than just treating the entire pool the same, and that's what makes it feel more efficient in real use because it's not wasting time on areas that don't need immediate attention. So whether you're doing a quick cleanup or a full cycle, the result feels more intentional and complete, fast enough when you need it, and thorough when it matters without forcing you to pick one over the other. And you can also use the smart app controls that comes with it. Connect the app and it tells you the battery status, the cleaning modes, and control it remotely via the app. Another part that plays a big role in the overall performance is the filtration system, because it's not just about picking up the debris, it's how well it holds up throughout the entire cleaning cycle. And this pool, for the major part, it was very clean, but this system is designed to capture both larger debris like leaves as well as fine particles, and once it's full, just empty, rinse, and put it back. Now, to be honest, this is probably the best looking pool robot design that I've seen in a while and that I've tested, and that's not usually something you say about a pool robot cleaner, because most of them, they just tend to look very functional and basic, but this one actually feels like it was designed to stand out visually and not just mechanically. The red color just plays in the big role in that. It's not just overly aggressive, it's not flashy, but it's just a very soft, vibrant tone that gives the cleaner a more premium feel, and it stands out just enough in the water without looking out of place. And then when it's moving through the pool, it just actually looks very refined instead of just being another piece of equipment just doing its job. So if you want something that adapts to how your pool gets dirty, go ahead and check out the link in the description below so you can find out more information about the iGarden M1-AI pool cleaner. Stay tuned for more content. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.